Chief Guest of the function, Professor Y. Lochindra Garu, Head of Computer Department, Swarnandra, and Sivam Prasad Garu is from Project Manager, TCS, Bangalore, and Head of the Department, Lakshman Garu, and my dear colleague and my dear students and guests. Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Very good. It's a great opportunity for me to speak a few words on this occasion. Actually, I am highly thankful to our Head of the Department, Lakshman Garu, for giving this opportunity. Actually, it's like a festival than a technical session. I especially congratulate all the students of computers for having done this much of atmosphere created for this technical session. I once again congratulate all the students of computers and staff for making this a grand success. Actually, they created a good atmosphere. I am very much happy because they have taken a lot of pains from yesterday. Actually, within one day they have completed all these things. It's very difficult, and especially they will have a lot of this glucose in their body. Students will be rich with glucose. It is better and they will be with the ignited minds. APJ Kalam told, they will be with ignited minds. They can do whatever they think. And they can easily do it. That is in their capacity. And if you sow an action, you can reap a good habit. If you sow an action, you can reap a good habit. If you sow a habit, you can reap a good character. You can sow a good character, you can reap a good destiny. So, ee rakanga chakkaga ganka oka action, habit, character unte, you will have a good destiny అని చెప్పారు. Williams అనేటువంటి జేమ్స్ విలియమ్స్ అనేటువంటి చెప్పారు. అలాగే ఏపీజే కలాం గారు కూడా కాన్స్టెంట్ లెర్నింగ్ లీడ్స్ టు ఏ గుడ్ హ్యాబిట్, ఏ క్రియేటివిటీ, అండ్ దెన్ ఏ గుడ్ థింకింగ్, అండ్ ఫైనల్లీ ఏ నాలెడ్జ్. You'll have a lot of knowledge. Constant గా చదువుతూ ఉంటే you utilize the library. You can have a constant learning. You can have good thoughts. You can have a creativity, and then you will have a good knowledge. Future చాలా బాగుంటుంది. కాన్స్టెంట్ లెర్నింగ్ లేకపోతే లాభం లేదు. మీరు ఎంతసేపు ఈ కంప్యూటర్ మీద కూర్చున్నా కానీ లాభం లేదు. అర్థమైందా? కంప్యూటర్ ఓకే సైడ్ బై నాలెడ్జ్. కాన్స్టెంట్ లెర్నింగ్, పేపర్ కానీ ఏదైనా సరే లెర్నింగ్ ఉండాలి. కాన్స్టెంట్ దీని మీద కూర్చుని చదువుకోవచ్చు, బట్ యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ లెర్నింగ్. ఇట్ విల్ మేక్ ఏ ఫోటోగ్రఫిక్ ప్రింట్ ఆన్ యువర్ మైండ్. ఓకే, సో